Hey, welcome back to another video of how to use basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to download YouTube application on a PC. First of all, make sure that you are connected to your internet. Now, open up Microsoft Edge browser on your device. Make sure that it is Microsoft Edge because any other browser won't work for this process. Now, at the address bar, go to youtube.com and click on Enter. After that, click on the three dots which is at the top right corner of your screen. You can also click Alt F on your keyboard. Now, you will see App section here. Hover your mouse to it and click on Install YouTube here. After that, click on Allow button. Now, you can pin this application on taskbar by checking this box. You can also pin it to Start. And you can also create a desktop shortcut for it by checking this box. Or you can also check this box and it will auto start on a device login. After that, click on Allow button. So that is how you can download YouTube application on your PC. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.